It's 4 a.m. right now. I'm really tired, but I still can't sleep because I can't get this beautiful topic out of my mind. And I'm reflecting on it. I just took notes. And it's on the topic is guidance. Because many people have the problem they want to get guided. Like I know there are situations in life where it's really out of your control. You might have a vision where you want to go, but you don't know how to get there. You might work really hard, you try this out, try that out, or try this out, but it still doesn't work out. So you want to get guided. And it's such a beautiful topic because guidance is a gift. And God, because it's, bro, you're not going to get guided by coincidence. It's something higher than you that guides you. Because if you get guided, who guides you? It's not just something, it's God, bro. And I just took notes. Let me read it out. God grants the gift of guidance only for those he loves. And God loves everybody, bro. You might sin, you might do bad stuff, God still loves you. But if you get closer to God and you build even a better relationship, you higher the chance logically of deserving of even getting blessed more. Because there are gonna be so many situations in life where it's really out of your control, bro. Like you put a big goal, you have people doubting you, and you work hard, but you still fail. And it's not a coincidence again that people always keep talking about God. Everyone who goes on a stage, the first thing they say is not thank you for the trophy, thank you for the medal. The first thing they do is say thank God because they sincerely seek it. That's point number 2. Guidance is granted to those who sincerely seek it. Sincerely seek it. It's granted, bro. Whether it happens 1 week later after you pray, 2 weeks later, 1 month later, a year later, it's granted, bro. If you sincerely keep seeking it with consistency. How do you seek it? I just said it. You build a relationship with God by praying. It's 3 a.m. right now, or it's 4 a.m. right now. But at 3 a.m., you can see my prayer mat. I prayed. Now, I'm not the best at it yet. I'm just trying to set an example that I've been praying now for a long time now, but I need to get better at it. I'm setting an example of how it looks like. Again, God grants the gift of guidance only for those he loves. And you will feel it, bro. You will feel it. You will, like, if you don't feel like, oh, you're not loved, you are, bro. Trust me, you are. But if you don't feel it, that's just a sign that you need to get closer to God, bro. That's basically it. This is a perfect sign. It's gonna help you detach from your goals, because if you want your goals too much, you seek your goals more than seeking God, of course you're gonna get striked. You're gonna feel negative, you're gonna feel drained, you're gonna feel whatever you feel going through right now, depressed. If you seek materialism more than God, where are you going, brother? Of course you don't deserve it. Bro, you need to realize, bro. Like, wake up, listen to me, bro. I'm tired, but I'm trying to explain it as well as possible. Bro, within this life, bro, everything is temporary. Bro, do you realize it? Like, everything is temporary. The phone, the screen you're watching on, like, look at your surroundings. Everything is gonna be gone. You're gonna be gone in 60 years minimum, or I don't know how old you are, maybe 80. Let's say 80 years. Now, people might not remember you. The phone, the screen, everything is gone. But the only thing that's gonna stay is the relationship, the faith you had. That's the real deal, bro. That's something that you need to seek. That's for longevity. You seeking only materialism, money. Of course, you might have good intentions with the money. You want to help your mother out. You want to travel. You want to donate. You might have good intentions, but you seeking that more, that materialism more than the relationship with God. It feels wrong, right? It is wrong. It should be wrong. So that's the video, bro. Seek it. Seek the guidance. Whatever you go through, I know it's hard, bro. You work really, really hard. You set the goal. You feel lost and lost and lost and lost. You see other people winning that just started or are younger than you, and you just want it really, really bad. And that's the problem. You want it too bad. You're willing the wrong thing. At the end, bro, I swear, like, I could be homeless. I could live in a homeless shelter, but if I have God and I have a really good relationship, I have everything. Like I won. But if I have everything like materialism, Lamborghini, villas, um, beaches, blah blah blah, and no relationship with God, what am I? What do I have? Nothing. So you could have both. And the guidance might come later. You might pray now and it might come to in 2 years, but it's worth it. You can seek the relation with God, and in 2 years, couple of months, who knows? Who knows? You might have the car, you might have the money, and a relationship with God. All right. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'm tired. And if you want more lectures like these, join my Discord. We have psychology lectures whenever you guys want. And yeah, link in bio. Show some love, bro. Uh, Sub, like, and comment if you have any struggles, any topics. DM me on Instagram. I'm there for you, bro. God loves you. See you.